ko sa ilalim lang.
Go. Ito tayo sa skating. Joke lang.
What is missing in your costume?
Shirt.
No, you're not gonna wear it like that only.
Ano?
You're just gonna wear brief. How about let's put
Not iget. Not iget nose.
a kib? You should put kib.
Yes.
Okay. Can I see? You're so foggy.
Not
Oh, you're
iget.
so foggy.
Not iget. Down there you. Down there you.
Okay, we're done.
Okay, we're not done.
We are. So this is Kim Kim's costume.
It's a lemon trash.
And then, ito yung magiging belt niya. Tapos, ito naman yung sash niya. Wow. And ito yung magiging headband niya. Wow, you're so foggy. You're... Wow! Let's go.
Pamili ako ng hard rock na t-shirt.
Na?
Ng hard rock na t-shirt. Mag-iiso na. Okay naman siya, hindi naman siya. Yun nga lang, ganyan naman na.
Ano yung dalawa kay Mama? No, let's give. Wow, ang sarap naman yan.
Anong gala mo si Tita?
Ano mo siya, pagsusubo
Oh, what does it says?
Keep panton.
Ayan, this is my first time eating Subway. Sarap. Hi, Makichu. Makichu! Why you're not happy na? Not happy anymore.
Why?
I don't know. Makichu! See? It's not happy.
I think we want.
Bakit adobo?
Gusto ko naman kasama.
May gusto akong gawin sa tortan ba? But I don't know if they can like
Walang
it.
ano, pesos.
May oil ba doon? May oil ba? Oo.
Bibili tayo na ito, tapos bibili rin tayong gata.
Sino sa mix? Wow, it's so lamig.
Dati yung kay Lolo ng talagang bahay. Parang lang. Ang sunod na malapit na yung tigaan doon.
The haunted house. Bye-bye, Manila. I hate you. Hi, house. Dancing.
Wow, nandito na yung shoes ni Sid. Wow, you have a new shoes. This one is beautiful also. Where are we? For eating. You know what, guys? Kibera is growing up na. You know what, guys? Kib habiyayay. Habiyayay, right? Look at his teeth. It's moving. Ay, nagiging big boy na yung lab ko. Kasi, lalabas na yung permanent teeth niya. Yay! You need to brush your teeth na every day. 3 times a day, okay?
yung mga damo sa chinelas.
Oo nga, no. Yan, natatanda na. Hi! Kaya nga. Next year, gawin natin. 31 pa lang. Mamili na tayo. Para umaga, buong maghapon nandito tayo.
Kahit yung ganyang kaliit lang, kaya ko. Wala mo lang katulong na tayo. Hindi na pala lane eh.
Kaya na kuya, matanaw kami tatlo kasi nila kuya eh.
Ah, you're still the taya. Vera's favorite.
Isa, tayo na. Ano plato?
Wow!
Wala, malayo. Malayo.
Bago humiyak.
Bago ingit.
Takot ako eh.
Bakit?
Okay, we need to make another pizza. Kasi ever hindi naman pizza dito. And now, we're going to make another one. Let's go. Let's do this.
What? Ugly. You let me eat cheese.
Okay. Go.
How do you make a pizza?
You put tomato paste. More.
Are you watching me? Just a little bit of cheese.
Stop it. Okay, we're done. So let's check the first one.
Just put it here.
Wow. I think this one is so yummy. Okay. This one is good na. You're gonna taste it na. Come here. Yes. Here. Yummy.
Just one more night away, one more look and I forget everything. Oh,
Mamma mia, here we go again. Mama, I wanna with you. Mamma mia, that's a joke again. Mama, that's how much I miss you. Yes.
Told you, this is your favorite. This is your favorite, right?
No.
Yes. Again. Daddy again. You found me.
Yeah, you told me.
Yummy. Oh, here's yours. Okay. Wow.
Ito yung
What's that? It's a pool. Wow. Chicken skin, oh.
Hapon, kumain kami nila. Nagpinag-Starbucks ko sila mama, tapos sila si Jojo, tapos si Jelly, Jelly.
Oo, ayun nga yung sinasabi ko sa'yo na parang mag-away ka muna sa social media. Kasi alam mo yun, tama na merong nagsasabi sa'yo ng mga ganun damon.
Pero yung mga, yung kagaya ng mga papa ni bestie, yung mga more on kay bestie ng family niya, mga binibigay kasi talaga parang comfort sa soul mo talaga. Grabe yung prayer, pag-pray ka talaga. Ayun, medyo na-entertain.
Pero alam mo ba yung kay Florin nun? Ang una ko nag-isip lang yung best. Kasi di ba maganda sila, manasal sila na. Baka kapag sila yun nag-usap kay Lord, baka ibigay.
Kita mo may orange ba?
Ha, likod pa lang yan. Pagpwede yun.
We're going to swim! Dito, sa kabila. Dito ka na dumaan, oh. Ay, nako naman. Shh. Baka ginagawa. Ay, nililinis pa yata. Nililinis pa yung pool, anak. Ask kuya. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Can you reach it? Wow. Go swim. Yeah. It's hot. Yes, it's hot. Give, look. Airplane. Yay, that's so big. Yung envelope mo.
Ayan na, sama ka na ni Tata.
Tama ka na?
Kala ko ba you want to sama to Tata Jaja? Ha? Bye-bye, ate.
Apple.
Barag na kami. Tapos pinahatid ako yung huling-huling ihahatid nun. Taga Sampalo ka, lahat ng tropa. Natutulog na sa stoplight.